our explanation of the flow of blood through the heart, we're going to open it up right here and start with the vena cava. So deoxygenated blood will flow into the heart from the superior and inferior vena cava and enter into the right atrium. So this structure is the right atrium, and the function of the right atrium is to collect and hold the deoxygenated blood returning to the heart and then deliver that blood to the right ventricle. The walls of the right atrium are relatively thin, but have the ability to expand a lot. In fact, when the right atrium is not filled with blood, the right atrium actually looks somewhat deflated and wrinkled, which you can see by the texture of the right atrium here. Now, the structure clearly relates to function because the atrium's ability to expand in size reflects its ability to hold a lot of blood and then contract. And the thin walls are conducive to expanding and contracting as well. So another important structure to understand from the right atrium is the tricuspid valve, and the tricuspid valve is responsible for facilitating the flow of blood into the right ventricle. It's called tricuspid clearly because there are three type of parts to it, and you can see one part here, and one part over here. And if the heart wasn't cut open, those three parts would be connected and prevent blood from flowing backwards back into the right atrium as it goes into the ventricle.